In this session we shall see the process of stream hydrology, drawing of synthetic unit hydrograph and the adequacy of the cross-section of the river or stream in terms of depth and width of the channel for the flow of water at flood time. The main screen of Astra Pro is open. We select the menu option file, then select working folder. We select the working folder as work, click on button OK. Next, we select the menu option file, then select menu item bridge design. Then select menu item hydraulic calculations. Then select menu item stream hydrology. Next, the project workspace opens. There are 4 tabs at the top. The current tab is Create Project. Survey data type is Total Station. Under New Design, the project name is mentioned as Design Job Number 1. Click on button Create Project. The message comes that the project folder is created as Design Job Number 1. Next, click on Browse to select Survey Data File. Select the survey data file from anywhere in the PC or laptop, click on button Open. The message comes informing that the survey data file is copied as taken in the project folder, click on button OK. The total station survey data file is opened. There are 5 columns. These are serial number, easting, northing, elevation, and feature code. Close this file. The survey data may also be downloaded from satellite, as described in the second tab. Next, select the tab Survey Data. There are 4 tabs under it. These are Ground Modeling, Triangulation, Contour and Alignment. The current tab is Ground Modeling. Click on button Create Ground Model. The strings as mentioned as feature codes in the survey data file are created under Model Shuri, which was the file name for survey data and is informed by the message. Click on button OK. The list of strings are mentioned in the list below. Click on the box under Color, select any color. Click on Apply. Click on button Draw at the bottom of the workspace. The ground model is drawn on the screen. As the data here is downloaded from satellite, so it is in a rectangular grid form. Next, select the tab Triangulation. Click on icon Open, located at the top of the CAD window. Select the drawing of the river center line drawn by using polyline and not as a block, from anywhere in the PC or laptop. Click on button Open. Next, select the icon to draw a polyline around the center line of the river. Close the polyline by selecting icon End Snap, and by clicking exactly on the first point of the polyline. Click right mouse button to finish the polyline. Next, click on button Create Boundary String. Message comes with instruction to click left and right mouse buttons on the polyline, which is just drawn around the river center line. The model name and string labels shown in the dialog box. Click on OK. The boundary string BDRY is created under model name boundary in the model files. Next, click on button Create Triangulation Model. As the dialog box comes, click on button Proceed. The triangulation may take a couple of minutes time. The data within the boundary string is processed for triangulation. As it is over, the message comes informing about creating of DTM file as HDS001.fil in the project folder. Next, select the tab contour. There are 3 strings to be created. These are C001 for primary contours with 1.0 meter interval, C005 for secondary contours with 5.0 meter interval, and string ELEV for text for contour elevations of secondary contours only. Click on button Create Contour Model, the dialog box comes. Click on button Run, the contour window opens. As the contour process is over, click on button Save at the top of the contour window. Contour strings are saved in the model files. Select icon at the bottom panel. Click on button Quit to close the contour window. We are now back to the project workspace. Click on button Draw Contour Model. The contours are drawn on the screen. In case the elevations are not displayed, then click on button Draw Model String, select Model Contour and String ELEV, click on OK, the elevations will be displayed on the contours. Next, select the tab alignment. click on button Create Alignment String, click left and right mouse buttons on the polyline for river center line, the model name, string label, start shehnage, and shehnage intervals are shown. Click on button OK, the string M001 is created under Model Design. Click on button Shehnage On, the dialog box comes with shehnage interval and text size. Click on OK. The shehnages are displayed along the center line of the river or stream, here it is about 50 kilometers long. Next, select the tab Stream Hydrology. There are 3 tabs under it. The current tab is User Input Data FORM1. There are 2 tables on the left side. In the first table the shehnages and the contour elevations at those shehnages are to be written by the user. In the second table 24 hours rainfall data is to be written by the user, by considering first 4 points at 0 hour, 12 hour, 18 hour, and 24 hour. Click on button Process for new analysis. A tentative plot is to be created and the plot is to be adjusted for proper shape as shown in the Excel file. Next, the other rainfall data at other hours will be written in the table by taking from the plot and the Excel file. The next tabs are User Input Data FORM2 and User Input Data FORM2. User has to enter the relevant data in the tabs. Once again click on button Process for new analysis. The analysis report is available in the Excel file. At the end the adequacy or inadequacy of the river or stream cross sections to achieve the free water flow during flood time are mentioned. The Excel file is to be saved and may be opened in future by clicking on the button Open User's Analysis File. This is the end of the current session for study of the stream hydrology.